Hey everybody, I'm Snickerdoodles, and this is Ask a Real Dog. The first question comes in today from Hanging with My Nomies. He says, what happens if you fart and sneeze at the same time? Your body takes a screenshot. The next question is from Google Was My Idea. They say, what are your thoughts about this novel coronavirus? Well, I was never really much of a reader, but I think I'll wait for the movie. Fedora the Explorer says, hey, my girlfriend's going through that time of the month. I was hoping you could roast her for me. It's not okay to make fun of menstruation. Period. Harry Poppins says, back in high school, my friends and I would all smoke weed. Why is everyone doing mushrooms now? Well, everyone loves a fun guy. Well, that's all we got for you today, everybody. This was Ask a Real Dog. Woof.